Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Grade 4 GIS Official with Miss Anis in Mathematics class. How are you today? Okay, I'm fine too, thank you. Now, before we start our lesson, let's pray. Pray begin. Amin. Today we are going to learn about measuring weight. So, what will we use when we want to measuring the weight of some object? Yes, we can use the kitchen scale. I will explain you how to measure the weight of the object with the kitchen scale. So, please watch carefully. Okay, I will measure the weight of sugar. The first step is you can make sure the pointed is 0. And then you can put the sugar in here. You can see the pointed move to be 1000 grams, right? Okay, I will explain you about more of measuring of weight. So please watch this video until the end and then don't forget to prepare your notes and mathematics book and do your exercise. Let's enjoy the video. Okay, on my whiteboard, you can see I will explain the standard of measuring weight and how to conversion of weight. So please watch this video carefully. The first, I will explain you about the 7 steps of measuring weight, or we can say the 7 stairs. The first, from kilograms to milligrams. The first is kilograms, and then the second one is hectograms, or in Indonesia we can say ounce, and the third is decagrams. The fourth is grams. The fifth is decigrams. The sixth is centigrams. The last is milligrams. So we can now that are the 7 stairs for the measuring weight. So we can see in international the standard unit of measuring weight is grams and kilograms. And then you must remember, for conversion of weight, you must remember these notes. The first is if go upstairs, it's divided. Upstairs divided. And then if go downstairs, it's multiplied. Upstairs divided, downstairs multiplied. Okay, you can look back at the 7 stairs. For the example, 1 kilograms is equal to blah 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 grams. So you must write 1 at the first, because that is 1 kilograms, so we can write 1 in here, and then kilograms to grams. You can see from kilograms to grams. Kilograms to grams. Kilograms to grams. From kilograms to grams, upstairs or downstairs? Right, downstairs. How many steps we can write? One step, and then 2 steps, and then 3 steps. So from kilograms to grams, that are 3 steps. because one step is multiplied by 10, so for 3 steps we can add 30 for the 3 steps. So we can calculate, because it's downstairs, we use multiply by 1000 because 3 steps down. 1, 2, 3. So we can get the equation is 1 kilograms equal to 1000 grams. And then how about the upstairs? If upstairs 1 step, we can divide it by 10. Consists by 1 0. If upstairs by 2 step from decagrams to kilograms, that are 2 steps, so we can get divided by 100, consists to 0. So we can add 1 0 for each step of stair, right? Okay, next it's about how to conversion of weight. For the example, for the first example is I have 4 kilograms equal to blah 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 grams. The first step is you must write down the value 4. And then the second step is you must see kilograms to grams in the 7th stair, up stair or downstairs. For kilograms to grams. 1, 2, 3. 3 step downstairs. Because it's downstairs, we can multiply kilograms to grams. 3 step downstairs, so we can multiply by 1000. We can get the equation like this, and then we can calculate 4 times by 1000. So the answer is 4000. 4 kilograms is equal to 4000 grams. And then the second, how about 5000 grams is equal to blah 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 kilograms. The first step is we can write down the value 5000, and then we can see on the stairs grams to kilograms, grams to kilograms, grams to kilograms. That is upstairs. So we can get the divided sign. Then how many steps? Grams to kilograms, that is 3 steps. So we can write divided by 1000. In the last myth, we have learned about multiply and dividing by 10. So we can see 5000 and 1000 have 0. We can cross out because it's divided. So So we can cross out the 0 from the right. 1000 have 3 0, and then 5000 consists by 302. So we can cross out 30 in here and do the same thing, cross out 30 in here. So we can get 5 divided by 1. So the answer is 5. So 5,000 grams is equal to 5 kilograms. 120 hectograms is equal to blah 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 grams. The first step, we must write the value at the first. And then we can see on the stairs, hectograms, 2 grams, is downstairs. So we can use times. And then hectograms, 2 grams, it's 2 steps downstairs. So we can multiply by 100. So we can get the equation and we can calculate. We just calculate 12 times 1. The answer is 12. And then because it's multiplied by 100, we can add 0. How many 0? 1, 2, 3. So we can add 3 0. And then we can get the answer is 120 hectograms is equal to 12,000 grams. 72 grams is equal to blah 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 milligrams. You can see the first step is we can write down the value 72, and then we can see on the stair grams to milligrams, that is downstairs. So we can use multiply. How many steps? Grams to milligrams, that are 3 steps. So we can multiply by 1000, consists by 3 0. And then we can get the equation. We can calculate, just calculate 72 times 1. The answer is 72. And then we can write down the 0. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 72 grams is equal to 72,000 milligrams. Understand? For the last example is 1,500 decagrams, it's equal to blah 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 hectograms. The first, write the value and then you can see on the stair from decagrams to hectograms, it's downstairs, 1 step. So we can get the equation is 1,500 divided by 10. We can calculate by cross out 1 0 in here and do the same thing, cross out 1 0 in here. So we can get the result is 150. You must remember that when it's go upstairs, you can cross out or remove the 0. 1 0 for each step. When it's go downstairs, you can add the zeros, 1 0 for each step. Okay, maybe it's enough for our lesson. Let's say Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Don't forget to do your exercise and submit your answer to your teacher class. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you on next video.